Hello and welcome to the introduction video for the Geofield app of Agrarpool. This video serves the introduction and explanation of the basic features of the app, the measurement of areas, import and export of CSV files, and the inclusion of KML files. Geofield consists of three main types: points which resemble a coordinate, polygons which consist of multiple points, and groups that serve as a container for polygons and points. To pinpoint your exact location, you have to have GPS enabled on your smartphone and allowed usage of the signal by the Geofield app. In the main screen, you can add a new group by tapping the plus sign button. You can then set a name and a description for the new group. This view is the core of the app. In it, you will manage and create points and polygons. A polygon is simply created by creating points. To do so, there are two modes. With this symbol, you can center the map to your location. Tapping the plus now will create a point at your location. Alternatively, you can freely move the map and create new points by tapping using the fingerprint button. Before creating a point, you may change its name and description using the input fields in the top. This option also exists for previously created points. Simply tap on one and change the values as you'd like. After selecting a point, you will also notice a green arrow in the top right corner. Following this navigation aid, you will eventually reach the selected location. For more precision, simply tap on it to get a crosshair-like view. To remove a point, select it by tapping on it and then delete it by tapping the red button on the bottom left. If, through impractical creation of the points, a polygon is created that has crossing lines, you can reorder the points. Just tap a point twice and then tap on the points in the preferred order. To cancel this process, just tap on the map outside of any point. The app features a selection of different maps: a simple street map, a satellite map, a hybrid map combined from the street and a satellite map, and a terrain map. You can swap between these by tapping the map symbol in the top right corner. This menu will also allow you to create additional polygons. Just tap Add New Polygon and create points as before to create it. To edit a different one than the currently selected polygon, simply tap on the marked area of the polygon. This allows you to edit name and description of the polygon, as well as editing the points as described earlier by tapping on them. While editing a polygon or the points of a polygon, you can see the size of the currently marked area in the bar at the top. You can change the measurement unit at any time in the settings. If you have a KML file you'd like to display, you can assign it to the group by tapping the map symbol and selecting New KML file. After selecting the file, it will be displayed as overlay on top of the map. Please note, there can only be one KML file per group. To view and edit a group, tap the blue I button. In this view, you can change name and description of the group and its points, as well as delete them. To see details of a point, click this symbol next to it to extend the view. To delete a group, simply tap the red button on the right side of the group you'd like to delete. In the navigation menu on the left, you'll find the import and export of CSV files. The export will combine all created groups into a single CSV file. To get up a folder, simply tap this button. To select the folder, just tap on it. To export the file to the selected folder, tap the button on the bottom right. To import a file, select Import CSV in the navigation menu. To select the folder, follow the same steps as for the export. To import the selected file, use the button again on the bottom right.